Introducing the M18 SWITCH TANK 15-litre backpack sprayer from Milwaukee Tool. Part of the SWITCH TANK interchangeable sprayer and water supply system, this innovative solution delivers an interchangeable tank design with no manual pumping. The SWITCH TANK system features 3 different tanks: a sprayer, a concrete sprayer, and a water supply tank. The interchangeable tank design allows for the same M18 powered base to be used across multiple tanks and applications. The removable tank design isolates the pump, hose and wand, separating wearable components from the M18 SWITCH TANK powered base. Add on and replace tank assemblies to eliminate cross-chemical contamination and deliver lower cost of ownership. Battery powered means no manual pumping, which saves time and creates less user fatigue. Instant, constant and adjustable pressure delivers ultimate control and increased productivity. The 5-mode adjustable pressure dial delivers between 200 and 120 psi and has up to a 7.6 meter spray distance. Get up to 12 tanks per charge with the M18 red lithium ion 4-amp battery pack, delivering a full day of powered spraying. The M18 SWITCH TANK 15-litre backpack sprayer from Milwaukee Tool. The only system with interchangeable tanks and no manual pumping.